Welcome back to Marky RC. On the turntable today we have the Tamiya Striker buggy, which was a 1/10 scale entry level 2-wheel drive buggy from Tamiya. The release date was the 21st of Feb 1987, and it was like an entry level buggy. Not particularly strong, quite weak on the front by where the wishbones join on. The motor was at the back, rear mounted, had a sealed gearbox, rear gear diff, 540 silver cam motor in the kit, front spring for the suspension and front springs for the rear suspension. It's a very basic, sort of pogoed about quite a bit. It was a bathtub chassis with a hard plastic top, big front bumper, rear trailing arms, had front A-arms. You didn't get bearings in this particular kit, but I have actually ball raced this particular buggy. The original kit come with a mechanical speed control. Had spiked rear tyres, ribbed front tyres, 7-spoke wheels front and back. And the Striker was a first time kit for a beginner. They were good fun, really easy to build, not very strong, so they broke quite easy, so they're getting quite rare now. This buggy is totally original, even managed to find some original decals, which was quite hard work. Took about 2 years, I think, if I remember rightly. Like I said before, not everyone's cup of tea, but I think they're cool. And there's not many hop-ups available for these now. But I do like the colour combo of the white and the sort of pale blue and the light blue. I've had this buggy now quite a while. I managed to get a brand new blue plastics part kit, because when it come to me it was absolutely wrecked. But I think it is a cool looking buggy. So I hope you like the video. If you could like and subscribe, I'd be cool for a new channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.